Delaney, no. This way. This way. No. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Come on. Let's go. Come on, girl. Come on, man. What's she doing? She see something. What you see? How you doing? Where you going, man? Get your wagon. Let's go. Come on. Pull your wagon. Come on, this way. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go get some toys. You got it. There you go. Like mother, like daughter. They both pushing, pulling and pushing. Ain't that right? Adrian. They do. Oh yeah, we following you. Okay.
No, we not. You gotta come over here and get these diapers.
Come on, girl. Let's go. See, this is what Daddy want. He ain't gonna get it though. Come on, girl.
I'm going over here with the diapers.
Okay. Where'd you go? Gone. Why you over here? Come on, this way. No, this way. Come on. Get your Get your wagon. She just going in every crevice they got in this stove. Say bye-bye, people.